43页刻漏字，对抗单车贼，臭鼬所的逆袭。
SKUNKLOCK, the bike lock that fights back. Despite advancements in bicycle security, millions of bicycles are stolen every year. A revolutionary bicycle lock called SKUNKLOCK takes a proactive approach to deterring thieves. As its name suggests, SKUNKLOCK releases a noxious chemical that could cause would-be thieves to vomit and effectively discourages them from continuing their efforts to steal the bicycle. While conventional locks can be defeated by determined thieves using specialized tools, SKUNKLOCK's dual approach of physical resistance and chemical deterrence is highly effective, making it a formidable opponent against bike theft. The U-lock is made of high-tensile carbon steel, which can withstand attempts to break it using brute force. However, if a thief manages to break the lock, the pressurized chemical gas within is released, triggering an immediate and overwhelming sensation of nausea, which may cause vomiting. This will reduce the likelihood of successful theft. Some might have concerns about the safety of its chemical deterrent, but there is no need to worry. The noxious substances are not lethal and will not cause the thieves permanent harm. In addition, the chemicals are securely sealed within a hollow space throughout the lock. They won't be released unless someone tries to cut through the lock with an angle grinder. Another concern expressed by potential users of SKUNKLOCK is the fear that their bike will be left smelling like vomit after the chemical is released. The manufacturer, however, claims that there is an antidote that can eliminate the foul smell. This innovative approach to bike security makes SKUNKLOCK a promising solution for cyclists looking to protect their bikes from theft.